In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I can be able to install a custom theme for a client on their server using WP CLI. Therefore, to install the theme, as I had mentioned, the client would need to provide me FTP and SSH access details. So once they provide me with HTTP and SSH access details, I can then be able to use the Putty and the CoreFTP applications in order to log in to their server and perform the necessary installations. So to start with, I'll start with the CoreFTP. So with the CoreFTP, I'll be able to demonstrate how I can transfer the files to the server. So my server, for this demo, I'm using the cPanel server, which has my website. Here I have set the port to 21 for FTP, and they are the credentials to my cPanel server. Therefore, once I've added the credentials, I can connect. Once connected, as you can see, I can be able to view the files in my cPanel directory. So the files in my cPanel directory are here. For this demo, I've installed my WP CLI in the techreluctance.co.ke folder here. In order to install, I'll use the same folder to upload my custom theme zip file. So for this demonstration, I'll use the Astro theme. So here is my Astro theme. So therefore, in order to upload it to the server from my local installation, so as you can see, this is in the directory D download on my computer. Therefore, I can just drag it to the folder in the server. So this will take a while. As we wait, I can proceed on to installing to connecting to Putty via SSH. Sorry, connecting to SSH using the Putty application. So therefore, in Putty, I've already done the setup. So here I have my IP address and my port. I had to contact my hosting provider to provide me this port because it was not using the default 2022. Then in the authentication, I've used the PPK file, which contains my private keys. So when I log in, when I try to connect, as you can see, it will request me for my username. So I'll log in with the username on my website. Then from the PPK file, it contains my passphrase. So therefore, I'll enter this passphrase here in order to be able to connect to my server. and as you can see, it's now connected. So therefore, I'll need to go to the folder, the techreluctance.co.ke, which I had also navigated to in my core FTP file. And as you can see, the astra.zip file is now already installed in it's now already uploaded to the techreluctance.co.ke tech reluctance folder. So therefore, to navigate there, I'll just go to from the my root file, is home untaint. Then navigate to my folder. So in this folder, I had installed the WP-CLI far file. However, due to restrictions, I was unable to create the alias for the WP-CLI.far, so I'll just use it directly. Therefore, the first operation I will perform is just to check whether the WP-CLI is installed. So I'll use this command. So as mentioned before, I'm using WP-CLI far because I have access restrictions on my server, and I've seen it will take a long time to get it done via the support. However, it will still work. As you can see, I'm able to see that WP-CLI is working on my installation. Then I can also get the list of themes that are installed. List. So for the user, first of all, I'll have to check whether the WP-CLI is installed and confirm whether the commands are working okay, as shown in this case. Now that I have seen the WP and the commands are working okay, then I'll proceed on to installing the theme. So I'll use the command install. Then, given that this zip file is in the, I installed it to techreluctance.co.ke/techreluctance. I will then add the location, the full location in the file. Yeah, so once that's done, I can then run the installation. And as you can see, the theme has been installed successfully. Yeah, after this, I can then check um, the theme, whether the theme has been installed. So I will just perform the WP theme list again. So as you can see, the theme is now listed here and it's active. Thank you.